observation station. We love talking about animals, we love acting like animals, and we love playing like animals. Who else here loves animals? Alright, well we have some fun animal games to play with you. If you're excited, I want to hear you shout out your favorite animal sounds. Go! That's terrific, but I think you can be a little louder than that. Let's hear those animal calls again! Wait, did you all hear that? Who in the wild world makes that noise? Bluey and Bingo! So great! Yeah? Bingo! With us? Yes, something tells me you two love playing games. Now, for each game, I'll pick a card from this deck that'll tell us what game we're playing next. Sound good? Are we ready for our first game? Alright, our first game is Magic Asparagus! You know, some animals eat asparagus in the wild, but this is a magic asparagus. You see, if I point at someone and call out an animal, chicken, they become that animal. Back to yourself. I wonder if this works on kids and grown-ups too. Let's play Magic Asparagus! Hey,
you ready, Molly?
Yes.
Magic Asparagus.
You know what sound a giraffe makes? These are some excellent giraffes. Okay, now you're a squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrels run really fast, from side to side. And maybe they grab a snack, and they climb a tree. Nice squirrels. Where did everyone go? They're all full of squirrels, right, grown-ups? These are some excellent squirrels back there. Okay, now you're a lion! Maybe they have a long mane. Sometimes we have sleepy lions, right? Maybe they're baby lions. And now you're a seal! These are fantastic seals! These are great! Oh my goodness! Nice seal, Bingo! Wait, do you see all these seals? And now you're an elephant! Maybe they have big ears. Or stomping nose and big ears. Right? Stay cool, your big ears. Now on three, your best elephant sound. 1, 2, 3. Back to yourselves. Great job, everyone. I'm going to put this away for later. Okay, are we ready for another game? Alright, our next game is Copycat charades. Now for this game, my friends Kaylee and Emily are going to show me a part of an animal. I will act out that animal, and you all will guess what I am. When you get it right, we all get to dance like that animal. Sound good? Are we ready to play? Let's play Copycat charades. Okay, let's try first in. Oh, we know this one. What animal am I? A giraffe. That's right. Let's all dance like giraffes. Now remember, I know you all know how to be a giraffe, so now we have to dance like giraffes. Excellent giraffe here. All right, I'm ready for my next animal. Oh, I love digging. That's great. All right, Emily, I'm ready for my next animal. Oh, I love this one. Okay, what animal am I? Ribbit. Ribbit. Oh, that's
Good
right.
job, Molly.
Yes, I'm frog. Boing. Oh, that's an excellent frog. Ribbit. Hey, frog. Ribbit. Ribbit. All right, what do we got now? Oh, okay, I love this one. All right, what animal am I? Everybody shake your mane. Shake your leg. Shake your tail. Nice, Bluey. Oh, that's great. Oh, so Bluey. Great job, everyone! Great work! That was some excellent animal dancing. Are we ready for another game? I said, are we ready for another game? Our next game is Moms and Dads! Bluey and Bingo, can you help us with this game? Thanks. Okay, so for this game, you are all going to be mom and dad birds, and these are going to be your sweet little baby birds. We have the yellow canaries.
Whoa.
We have bluebirds. We have green.
I got a bingo tell in my face.
Now, all around the room, there are nests where the babies live. We have Bingo at the red nest. So please say hi,
Bingo!
And we have my friend Emily at the green nest. There she is. We have the blue nest. And Kaylee at the yellow nest. Hey, Kaylee. Okay, now it's your job as moms and dads to help baby birds into the nest of the same color. Got it? All right, ready, set, go! Great work. Okay, we're going to use teamwork, right? We all try to grab one. I will put it in the matching nest. Good job, Bingo at the red. Please at the blue. You have two green. Bring it to my friend Emily. He's back there. Bring it to my friend Emily. Thank you. Yeah, green's gonna be right back there. That green's gonna go down there.
Molly's got two working already.
Great work, everyone. Yeah, go to this guy.
I think Molly's warming up for Keepy Uppy. Here she comes. You can do it, Molly. Is that your warm up for Keepy Uppy?
Yeah, I grabbed a blue and a red one.
I'm sitting here with the south end of a northbound bingo.
I thought you were going to get a selfie.
Oh my goodness, well, did all the baby birds make it back to their nests? Yeah, you only bring moms and dads.
Bingo's soft. Super soft.
Just enough time for one more game.
This is it, Molly. This is it.
Time for one more game. And I think you might all have been able to
She seriously said, hold my purse.
Alright, now, in this version of Keepy Uppy, we've got to help the butterflies, the bees, and the ladybugs find their way by gently tapping them like this. Sound good? I'm sure you're professional. Bluey and Bingo, can you start us off? Alright, let's Keepy Uppy! Good job! Remember, you want to tap them and keep them in the air. Good, that's strong. Try not to let them touch the ground. Nice work, everyone. Good job.
You murdered Bingo.
Nice job! This was terrific! I think we can start tossing those butterflies back to me. Could I have that butterfly? Thank you! You all did such a great job! Keep that ladybug. Thank you. Awesome work, everyone! Great job! Everyone upstairs, stay with me. Have a good job. Thank you so much! Awesome work! Thank you! My goodness, we have such great colors! Awesome job, everyone! I think that this calls for a dance party! Dance party! Thank you! Give it to us. Excellent dance here.
Bubbles!
Come on, you animals. Let's make like a tree and leave. Let's make like a kangaroo and dance.
Let's make like a gazelle and blink.
Nice one, Dad.
Well, I guess it's time to go. Everybody say bye.